This is Mark from SM Cotech. In this video, we're going to be going through top things to do for Linux servers new installs. First thing to do in my list is to do updates and upgrades. So this video will take you through those. So we just went and got all of our updates, and now we're going to issue the command for those 13 packages that can be upgraded. We're going to issue the command to do the upgrade. We're going to say yes to taking up the additional disk space for the upgrade, and the upgrade's running. At this point, the upgrade has been completed, and we're going to run the update again just to verify that there's been no additional updates or upgrades that need to be done, and you can see there aren't. Stay tuned for the next episode in this series.